So guys, here is how we can adjust the full screen mode on iPhone. So the first thing I'm going to show you is that, let's just say that I want to open Netflix here. What you will notice is that when you pull this in, it will then go into a windowed mode. Now you can resize this and move it around to however you like, but if you want to disable this, so all you need to do is click on this here and then go to the top left and then click on the controls and then click on the green button there to make it back full screen. Now, if we want to disable the windowed mode altogether, what we can do is go over to settings, and then we can go over to the left hand side here, and then we can go to multitasking and gestures. Once we select this, you will then be able to go to the top here, and now you'll be able to see windowed apps, stage manager, and our full screen apps right there. Now here at the top, as you can see, we've got full screen apps, windowed apps, and stage manager. If you don't want the option to go windowed mode, you can click on full screen apps, and this will then automatically put every single app back into full screen mode.